Hello everybody, my name is Nicole. I'm a repeat test taker. I use Archer and you both failed the first attempt. I came across ReMar and I'm just so happy that I did because I am now a ReMar nurse. I passed my new Gen NCLEX on October 4th. It shut off at 85 questions and I need to tell you guys, ReMar is the way to go. I brought the V2 and I brought the Quick Facts book and I studied the content. The content is the key. The content will get you through this test. I'm telling you, even ReMar, she has over 2,000 something questions. I probably did less than 200. My focus was the content. Learning the content is, if you know the content, you'll know the answer. Okay? I'm telling you, the content is the way to go. I had so many bow tie questions and you needed to know the disease, the process of the disease, and what to monitor for the disease. So knowing the content, you will be able to answer those bow ties with no problem whatsoever. I mean, and I'm a mother of twins that's 10 years old. I had to help with homework, do my own homework with ReMar, and still work part-time, but it is possible. Study the content, learn the content, and you too will be a ReMar nurse, because that's what you need to get through that test. Learning the content, you will know the disease process. So stick it out. Her journey is worth the journey to go on. You will not be disappointed with the ReMar. I'm telling you, she is one of the best teachers out here. I recommend her to anybody that's taking the new Gen NCLEX. Go the ReMar way, learn your content, and you too soon shall be a ReMar nurse.